Hey now, you're a math star, get your game on, go count. Hey now, you're a math star, get your game on, go add. When all that counting is done, we'll be adding sums. How are you, math stars? Well, yesterday we worked on the numbers 16, 17, 18, and 19. What do you think we're going to work on today? What comes after 19? Let's see if you're right. You're in Module 18, Lesson 4. I can count and write numbers up to 20 and make a group of that many objects. So I want to challenge you. You don't need to do this right now, but when you're done, I want you to write the numbers 1 all the way up to 20. Don't write this 1-20. I want you to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah, all the way up to 20. I want to see if you can challenge yourself to do it. It doesn't have to be a special piece of paper. Any piece of paper will do fine, or even on your whiteboard if you have a whiteboard at home. But that's for after the lesson, okay? All right, right here. Say the number and count the forks. Draw the same number of spoons and write the number. This is the number 20. Let's go ahead and count the forks. And I'm going to cross them off as I go, like I tell you every time, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, count with me, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They're kind of close together, so it's really hard. Okay, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so we counted 20. Now they want us to draw 20 spoons. I am going to draw rectangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, are you drawing at the same time that I am? I hope you are. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now, the number 20, how do we draw it? Or how do we write it? Do you see how it has a 2 and a 0? If you remember the number 19, it was 1, 9, right? Because it was 10 ones and 9 ones. So 20, 2, 0. Well, you know what it is? Look at this. This was a group of 10. And this is a group of 10. How many 10s was that? 1, 2. It was 2 10s. And how many ones are left over once we grouped them into 10s? 0. There aren't any more ones, and that's why there's a 0. So let's count by 10s. 10, 20, 20. So that's why we write it a 2, because there are 2 10s, 2 groups of 10, and 0 extra. So here's a question. This is just extra, okay? If I were to add one more outside here, one more spoon, how many would I have? 21. How do you think I would write that number? Well, I have 2 sets of 10s. And then how many do I have? I have 1 left over. So it's 2 10s and 1 1. Yep. All right. Good job, math stars. Okay. Let's go on. For this, you're going to say the number and then circle the group that represents the number. So do you remember what this number is? 19. So you're going to count. I'm not going to do it for you. You're going to count them and circle the group that is 19. Okay? And maybe you want to cross them off as you go, as you count. Okay? And then you're going to do the same thing here. This is a little bit hard. They're kind of put together, squished together. So I'm going to try to show you on this. If I can get it to, Here we go. These are the two, the two different groups. Let's try that again. Here we go. These are the two different groups. So you're going to count these. What, do you know what number this is? We just said it. 20. Yeah. You're going to count these and you're going to count these and you're going to circle which group is 20. So why don't you pause the video while you do those two problems, okay? Oh boy. This one is kind of tricky, friends. And this one, you really have to mark off as you count, because when you're counting in a circle, you might forget where you started because you're so busy counting. So you really do need to cross it off as you go. So we're going to count how many, and then we're going to write the number. So let's do that. Let's start here. 1. Oh no, I'm not counting out loud. I'm counting in my head, but you count out loud. Let's start over. 1. All right. What number did you get? What'd you get? Write that number right here. Okay. Good job. All right, let's go. On your own, you're going to go get your homeschool teacher to read the questions to you. And remember, on this circle one, make sure whatever they tell you to do, probably you're going to have to count them and cross them out as you go, as you count, so you don't count the same one twice. Okay. All right, Math Stars, I will see you tomorrow.